Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. I want to share an illustration I drew that showcases a cozy and a relaxing afternoon filled with items such as books, cupcakes, drinks, flowers, and more. I actually designed this sticker sheet specifically for my planner and the journal pages, as it's the perfect quick setup that I can use whenever I need to add some extra fun. What I love to do is pair up the sticker sheet with my other stickers that in my shop, like this month's script stickers. I also choose the header sticker that I need for my title and then place it on top of my rectangle illustration sticker. It's a pretty fun and a convenient way to set out my pages, especially when I'm busy and I need to get things done quickly. Do you have any tricks or methods that you use to set up your pages in a quick and easy way? I'm going to use these mini months and the days of the week stickers too. I will be using these colored markers and some fine liners. Now let's get started. I'm super excited to share this month I am using a minimalist style with my illustrated stickers. I wanted to keep things simple and functional while still adding some of my own personality with the stickers I drew. For these illustrated stickers, I used gouache pen to create this cute little image, and some of them are drawn in an imaginary way, making them extra fun. I find drawing things in small illustration style to be very relaxing, and it always puts me in a good mood. Speaking of relaxation, do you enjoy reading a good book while sipping on a warm cup of tea or coffee on a calm afternoon? I find that to be one of the most relaxing and enjoyable way to unwind after a long day. I drew an illustrated sticker sheet that reminded me of how much joy and convenience we can find in the little things in life. Sometimes it's easy to forget to appreciate the everyday items that make our lives easier or bring us happy memories. For me, drawing these small things help me to remember to enjoy the simple pleasures in life. Next are my weekly notes and my thoughts pages. For the thoughts page, I'm dividing the layout into 4 areas with an X, so I could categorize my thoughts into works, personal, church service, and others. I'm adding a rectangle sticker on top of the left page to provide space for me to stick the title for my weekly notes. I'm adding a cute candle sticker to the right page. I absolutely love having a clean space to jot down my ideas. Do you like to write down your ideas in your journals or planners? I find it to be such a therapeutic and a satisfying way to stay organized and productive. Now I'm creating a 1 line a day spread. I find it enjoyable for recording daily highlights and gratitude. However, I often struggle to keep up with it and complete the entire spread. I will see how well I do this month. Have you ever tried a 1 line a day spread in your planner or journal? I'm adding some of my illustrated stickers for decoration, but I make sure keep things minimal to make them easy to use and functional. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this new thing. Have any of you tried a minimal style bullet journal or planner pages? Let me know in the comments. You don't need a ton of fancy supplies to create a beautiful and functional bullet journal. All you really need are a few pens and some stickers to add some personality to your pages. Do you feel the same way? Or do you prefer to draw more complex design in your planner or bullet journal? Let me know. Here are my first and second weekly spreads. I'm experimenting with an interesting layout that gives a lively feeling to the design, even though the daily boxes are not evenly spaced. What are your thoughts on this layout? Have you ever tried a similar one in your bullet journal? If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will never miss a new video. I love to hear your thoughts and suggestions, so please leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is so important to me and helps me create better content for you. I have a variety of free printables available for you to use in your planner or journal. These include a 13-page floral planner kit printable, a 2-page self-care planner, a sunset-themed planner printable, a mood tracker, and much more. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the free download link below to access these printables. Now I'm working on my third weekly spread. I'm using a simple grid layout with sections for each day of the week, as well as a small section for tasks for next week. Again, I'm using my rectangle illustrated sticker on the bottom of the right page to add some visual interest. But I didn't go overboard with the decorations because I wanted to make sure it was practical and easy to use. Do you ever find yourself unmotivated to use your planner or journal, especially when feeling tired and needing to clear your mind? Now I'm using my sticker to add next week on the top of the rectangle sticker. This is my fourth weekly spread. I opted for a clean, minimalist layout for this setup. I enjoyed creating it so much. I'm considering drawing more illustrated everyday subjects and make them into sticker sheets. Do you share a similar interest in drawing everyday subjects? If so, what are your favorite items to illustrate it? If you are looking for more inspiration, check out my Instagram, where I post every page from my bullet journal. The link is in the description. Also, check out my Pinterest boards, where I have a whole section dedicated to bullet journal ideas. The link is also in the description. This is a final flick through. Overall, I'm really happy with how my March bullet journal turned out. By focusing on simplicity and functionality, I have created a journal that helps me stay organized and productive while still adding some personality with my illustrated sticker. Don't forget to check out these sticker sheets if you are interested. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!